Hi, it's just Crafty Chantel. Welcome to or welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do an unboxing and a few inspiration demos of the Crafter's Companion paper piecing craft kit. This is box number 50. And as always, you can receive step-by-step instructions and inspiration from crafterscompanionbox.com. So let's just take a quick look at what we have in the box. Starting off, we have the dewdrops. I hate to open these. They're always packaged so pretty. And then we have ribbon. Let's see what our color scheme is this month. Okay, so we have like a coral pink, yellow, and green. And some clear stamps. So these are our sentiment stamps. Flutter by, just to say, and then I guess there's a hi somewhere. Have a beautiful day. Sending you a little smile. Those will be very useful, and the way that they're shaped, let's just do it that way. They will go with a lot of banner dies. Let's see what we have in metal dies. Okay, so we have a rose and a butterfly. These will be used for our paper piecing. So there's some big spaces, so kind of makes the paper piecing easier when it's the big spaces. This is what I'm excited about, the paper piecing hold and release sheets. And so basically, I think I'm going to keep that packaging. The way that, I'm going to have to figure out exactly how these work, but it's going to have the sticky pieces on the back, I think. I have to go back to the channel and double check, but I'm excited about those. It's been a long time since I watched them. So we have the card blanks, 4x6s, and the accompanying envelopes. And let's take a look at the printed paper. And see what we have. Very complimentary paper. Looks like you have two of each sheet. Green, yellow, coral, just like the ribbons. And then let's take a look at the cardstock. Remember, that was paper. This is cardstock, so this one is a little thicker. It's one-sided. It's a bright green, yellow, reddish, orangish coral, a couple shades of pink, black. Oh, I guess that's something in between the black and the white. Okay, so now that we have gone through and taken a look at everything that is in box number 50, the paper piecing kit, let's go ahead and get some inspiration going. Okay, so for the most part, I prepped my card off camera because these are all things that are pretty straightforward. So we did a matting and layering with the paper from the cardstock, and then I used a banner banner die here from Crafter's Companion. Looks like maybe I did it upside down, not sure. A banner die for the sentiment, stamped dear friend using this pearlescent pigment card ink pad. So we pretty much have the basic stuff done. What's left is the paper piecing part. So I will go ahead and start doing that on camera. So basically what we do is we take this hold and release paper and we peel this top layer off, and then we stick it to our cardstock like so. And then we run our cardstock through the Gemini or die cutting machine, whichever. I just want to make sure that all my green, because this is going to be the green. So I'm just going to go over here and run it through my Gemini MIDI. And it is a relatively thick die, so it's a little rough going through there. Hopefully it actually worked. So basically what happens now is, so I have a sample and I have my card. And so once I take these pieces and start popping them out, I just put a little glue on the back of them and put them into the other card. So I'm going to take my glue and just start okay. And so now we have our green paper piecing, and basically we repeat the same steps for the pink that we're going to put in the center of the card. And then I guess I can hold on to this because maybe one day I might have a green rose. So let's just go ahead and fill in the rest of it. So the steps are: remove the Crafter's Companion paper on the back, secure it to your card, place your die, and then run the card through your die cutting machine. Okay, so here's my first pass at the rose, and you'll see that I left some pieces off in the middle here. So what I want to try to do is do those in a shade lighter pink. So cut a small square of the hold and release, and I'm just going to run this piece through the die cutting machine to get some additional pink pieces and fill in that center in a lighter shade. You know, I didn't want to do it in a whole nother pink. You only get 16 sheets of this, and so I really didn't want to waste it. So now I'm just going to go into the center pieces and just dot some glue. Okay, and there we have it with the paper piecing. It got a little rough right in this area, just trying to get it to kind of fit in and not bend with some of those, with those tiny pieces there. But this is the Crafter's Companion box number 50 with paper piecing. So unlike the samples that we have on the box, I did my outline in white. I used pearlized cardstock with white instead of black like they have here on the samples. I don't think they did any of the samples in black. So that was just one thing that I decided to do a little bit differently. So this is just some inspiration for you and just a quick look at how you use the hold and release paper. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like, subscribe, and share it with your crafty friends. This is just Crafty Chantel.